Imagine creating an entire music video, from lyrics to visuals, using nothing but AI. Sounds impossible? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how I used AI tools to write lyrics, generate music, animate characters, and edit a complete music video, all without any prior experience in music production or animation. If you've ever wanted to bring your musical ideas to life without expensive equipment or software, this is the video for you. Stick around because by the end, you'll see the final AI-generated music video in action. Writing the lyrics, the first step. The journey to creating an AI-generated music video starts with one of the most important elements, the lyrics. Without solid lyrics, your music video won't have a strong foundation. There are several ways to approach writing lyrics for your project. One method is to write them manually, drawing inspiration from your emotions, experiences, or a specific theme. Songwriting can be deeply personal, and crafting lyrics from scratch allows you to express exactly what you want. However, if you're looking for a faster or more structured approach, AI can be a useful tool. Another efficient way is to use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate lyrics based on a given idea. You can simply ask ChatGPT to write a song about a topic, whether it's gratitude, love, resilience, or any other theme you want to explore. AI can structure the lyrics properly, ensuring the verses, chorus, and bridge flow seamlessly. Additionally, you can find existing songs that fit the genre or mood you are aiming for. Studying professional songwriting structures can help you understand the rhythm, phrasing, and tone that work well. Once you find a song you like, you can use it as a reference to craft your own unique lyrics. For this project, I decided to create a song about gratitude in the new year. After selecting a reference track that matched the style I wanted, I asked ChatGPT to generate lyrics based on that format. The AI provided a structured breakdown, including verses, a chorus, a bridge, and an outro. Once the lyrics were finalized, the next crucial step was to visualize the music video by breaking the song into different scenes. Each scene would need specific camera shots and imagery that reflect the song's meaning. This preparation ensures a smooth workflow when it's time to create the visuals. Generating the music with AI. After completing the lyrics, the next step was to generate the music itself. There are several AI-powered tools available for music generation, but my personal preference is Suno AI. This platform offers a free plan, making it accessible to beginners, while also providing high-quality output. To generate the music, I first went to Suno AI's website and clicked on Create, which opened the dashboard where I could begin the music generation process. Next, I selected the Custom option, which allowed me to paste the AI-generated lyrics directly into the system, ensuring that the music would be perfectly aligned with the words. After entering the lyrics, I had to choose a music style that suited the theme of the song. Since I wanted an Afrobeat chart dancehall vibe, I typed that into the style selection box. The genre selection is crucial because it influences the melody, tempo, and instrumentation of the final track. Once the style was set, I gave the song a title, in this case, Grateful, to reflect its uplifting and positive message. With everything in place, I clicked Generate, and Suno AI produced two different versions of the track. I then listened to both versions carefully and selected the one that best matched my vision. For better results, I opted for Suno AI version 4, which provides higher quality music output. After selecting my preferred version, the next step was to separate the vocals and instrumentals. Suno AI offers a paid feature for extracting stems, but there is a free alternative called vocalremover.org, which allows you to upload your track and split it into separate vocal and instrumental files. Creating the visuals. AI-generated images. With the music ready, it was time to bring the song to life through visuals. The images for the music video were generated using Midjourney, an AI-powered tool for creating high-quality visuals. Midjourney is a paid tool, but there are free alternatives such as Leonardo AI and Design AI, which offer similar functionality. To generate my images, I first needed to choose a character design. Consistency in character appearance is essential for maintaining a professional and cohesive look throughout the video. Once I had a character style in mind, I used Midjourney's prompt system to input detailed descriptions of the images I needed, ensuring that they matched the theme and emotions of the song. I generated multiple versions of each image to have a variety of options to choose from. After reviewing them, I upscaled and downloaded the best versions to ensure they were in high resolution for the video. Each image was created to match a specific scene in the song, making it easier to piece together the video later. Editing the images with Canva. Once I had all the images, I uploaded them to Canva for minor adjustments. One key modification was removing the character's mouth to allow for later lip syncing. To do this, I placed the character image on the background, zoomed in on the mouth, and used Canva's magic eraser tool to carefully remove it. This step was crucial because it allowed for a more natural-looking lip sync effect in the final video. Creating lip sync animation. For the lip syncing process, I used Adobe Express, a free and powerful tool for animating character speech. First, I went to the Adobe Express website and selected Animate Characters. Then I uploaded the edited image and selected the mouth-only animation style. Adobe Express offers various styles, and I found that the happy or friendly options worked best for natural mouth movements. Next, I uploaded the generated audio file. Adobe Express automatically synchronized the mouth movements to match the lyrics. To make editing easier later, I set a green background for the animation, which allowed me to remove it seamlessly in CapCut. Since Adobe Express does not allow lip syncing for audio longer than 2 minutes, I had to break the song into smaller segments and generate separate animations for each part. After finishing this process, I downloaded the animated clips for use in the final video. Animating the images. To add motion to the images, I used Kling AI version 1.6, which creates realistic animations. First, I uploaded one of the AI-generated images to Kling AI. Then I entered a movement prompt, such as tracking shot of a man walking through a forest. This ensured the animation matched the desired action. After that, I adjusted the settings for realism, choosing a 10-second duration and enabling professional mode for the highest quality. Once everything was set, I clicked Generate, and Kling AI produced a smooth animation. I repeated this process for all the images, ensuring each scene had natural movement. Assembling the video in CapCut. With all the elements ready, the vocals, music, lip-synced mouth, and animated images, it was time to put everything together in CapCut. First, I imported all the clips into the CapCut timeline. Then I added the lip-synced animation over the character's mouth by selecting the green screen mouth animation and using the chroma key feature to remove the green background. I carefully adjusted the size and position of the mouth to fit the character's face and increased the intensity to remove any remaining green edges. Next, I grouped the layers into a compound clip to prevent misalignment during editing. I arranged the animated images according to the song's lyrics and added transitions and effects such as fade-ins, zoom effects, and smooth cuts between scenes. Once everything looked polished, I exported the final video, completing the entire process from lyrics to animation. And there you have it. From AI-generated lyrics to stunning animated visuals, we've built an entire music video using nothing but cutting-edge technology.
Ringing clear, a brand new start, a brand new year. Through every storm, through every trial, we walked in faith.
It's incredible how AI is transforming creativity, making professional quality music videos accessible to everyone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what you think about AI-generated music videos.